Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a BONK update today. So I do see something with BONK that has been outstanding in the previous history as well. So when BONK started making this massive move and it took off really high, I actually noticed that you do have this 10 EMA that is actually crawling up and up and up and up. And right now what you're looking at is another retest of the 10 EMA on the monthly time frame here. So you've actually been supported by the 10 EMA on the monthly for a couple of times. So number one has been this here, number two here, and now you're making another touch on the 10 EMA. So let's hope that even if in the next 24 days you start to close it in a doji, then you might actually make a green candle during August as well. So right now it's pretty low. If you go back into the daily time frame, we're making in a morning star, and you're probably trying to make even something like a double bottom here and try to push back and move further away. Now if you get into the 4-hour time frame, let's see how this is. So some people had the stop losses here. The market decided to go a little bit lower, touch the trend line. So you've actually done some good things with BONK, to be honest with you. It's not as bad as people may think, because again, you've broken the downtrend, right? You retested, then you try to make a little bit of a move, get people interested, drop them down one more time, and take stop losses here, take stop losses there, and eventually try to retest here. So this is probably retest number two, this a solid retest, because on the 4-hour time frame you're making a morning star. So this morning star right here, if I have to give you the reference, you can see that it actually looks something like this. So when you make that morning star, you start to push and you go back to the upside. So it's safe to say and assume that coming down to 1787 can invalidate this one. And also from here, if the main goal is to go back to where you came from, because it was a downtrend, you broke above, retested, so maybe just go back from where you came from. That's the logical thing that must happen, and it should happen if things go the way they're meant to go. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.